Hey, this is Tammy and I do Math for Coffee, and I want to do a quick video on how to solve proportions. This is what a proportion looks like. You're going to have a fraction equal to another fraction. These things are also called ratios. Somewhere in this setup with these 4 spots, there'll be an unknown, and solving means trying to find the answer for that. The way you do these is you do something called cross multiplication. And when we do that, we won't have fractions anymore. We're going to go 10x equals 5 times 9. Then you just do the algebra from here. It's just got to do some math. We got 10x equals 45. And when you do that division, when I take 45 and divide it by 10, that's going to reduce to 9 halves. I know some of you are going to use a decimal, 4.5. I like to stick with fractions because that's what we need to practice usually. So that is our answer. Okay, now for this one, this n minus 5, you get to keep that grouped up. So when I cross multiply, it will be 3 times the quantity n minus 5. That's important. And then it'll be 8 times 9 on the other side. Now when we multiply this out, we're going to use distributive property, and you're going to get 3 times n, which is 3n, and 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. That equals 72. We're going to add 15 to both sides. We get 3n equals 87. Divide both sides by 3, and n equals 29. All right, now it gets a tiny bit more complicated because I have the unknown is in 2 spots. You do the same process, learn the process. 10 times x minus 5 equals 8x. And again, this is an equation we know how to solve. So we're going to use distributive property and run through all of that. And we end up with negative 50 equals negative 2x. Divide both sides by negative 2 to solve for x. And we get x equal to 25. And you can always plug these in to check them. I'm not going to do that on YouTube. There you go. There's the whole thing. Now, you use proportions in every math class at some point once you hit high school. You're really going to see them in geometry when you do work with similar figures. Click into this video to see how you use proportions to solve similar triangle problems. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.